हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब। चलिए आज हम इंग्लिश के कुछ न्यू वर्ड्स को जाने और उनको सेंटेंसेस में यूज करें ताकि हम उन वर्ड्स को सेंटेंसेस में यूज करना सीख पाए। लेट्स स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज मेंटर। वी नो मेंटर टू गाइड हिम द स्ट्रगलिंग स्टूडेंट्स ending up dropping out of school. So you can see the sentence and you can think the what's the meaning of a mentor? A person who has a better knowledge or experience. He can be a younger, he can be an elder, but he can ended up with the best decisions or help the struggling students or a person in a typical type of situations with a problem solving manner. The next word is wisdom. Without wisdom, a person cannot make a best decision. So here's the wisdom meaning is clear that a person who has a better knowledge and experience and who can make a right decision, who can make a right decisions and makes profits always in the decisions. So the wisdom is correct. It's a part of a knowledge or an experience, that type of thing. The next word is innovator. I aspire to be an innovator, not a follower. The meaning of this word is clear that a person who creates new ideas, who knows the situations and makes a new idea from a lot. The next word is optimistic. Optimistic. He is a such optimistic that he sure he will soon find a job. Optimistic person always try to solve the problems in a good manner or a good reason. He makes a decision in a good manner. What is the meaning of a good manner? That he implement an optimistic in a practical way. The things how the things implement. The meaning is clear of this word. I hope you understand the meanings of these words and the sentences. तो आपको मेरी वीडियो कैसी लगी, इस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।